How to change name on Snapchat. Hello guys, welcome back to Android Tips YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your name on Snapchat. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get interesting videos every day. So guys, let me just get inside the Snapchat, and then let me just show you how you can do that. Let me just click on this profile icon on the top right and click on this setting icon, and here you can see this is my name. So simply click here. Let me just show you. Okay, and then let me just change my name. Okay, now click on save option. You can see here my name has been successfully changed. So guys, in this way you can change your name on Snapchat. I hope this video will be absolutely helpful for you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.